Aadhaar eKYC is the platform for online Aadhaar number verification, where it provides an authenticated instant verification of identity and lowers the cost of paper-based verification and KYC. We have a web-based and API-based KYC, and this is the login page for Aadhaar eKYC, where the bank employee will enter the username and password of the customer. After successful login, here we can see the eKYC suite, where we have a eKYC transaction and eKYC transaction status. In each transaction, we get a chart of all eKYC functions, that is the OTP KYC, OTP authentication, biometric KYC, or biometric authentication, eKYC transaction. In each transaction status, we get the success ratio, failure ratio, or timeout ratio based on the eKYC transactions. These are the major functions of Aadhaar eKYC. That is, OTP eKYC, OTP authentication, biometric eKYC, biometric OTP eKYC, biometric authentication, and last is, demographic authentication. In OTP eKYC request, first, we need to select the ID type. That is the UID, Aadhaar number, VID, virtual ID, UID, which is the internal reference number. Then after selecting the Aadhaar number, we need to enter the valid Aadhaar number here. Then it will generate the OTP on the registered mobile number. After entering the valid OTP, the customer will check on the consent and the details will be submitted. Here we get all the details of the user from the UID AI website based on the OTP eKYC. In another option, biometric eKYC request, we also need to select the ID type where we will select the Aadhaar number or Aadhaar ID, and then we enter the valid Aadhaar number. In the third option, we need to select the attached fingerprint device, which it will capture the fingerprint. After successful fingerprint capturing, the user will check on the consent. Then the biometric eKYC request will be submitted. Here we retrieve all the details of the customer from the UID AI website based on the biometric eKYC. This is all about the Aadhaar eKYC application.